The Chickcozy 2024 Upgrade Egg Incubator is designed with precision technology that ensures optimal temperature and humidity control, greatly enhancing the chances of successful egg hatching. With its innovative dual watering zones, this incubator offers flexible humidity adjustments, catering to varying environmental needs and promoting healthy chick development. It features a unique anti-slip mat and protective wall, safeguarding the chicks from potential injuries and providing a secure hatching environment. The incubator is user-friendly with a detachable fan and rinseable base, making cleaning and maintenance straightforward even for beginners. A convenient lid handle and clear dome offer a full 360-degree view, allowing families to engage in the hatching process together, while the built-in egg candler adds to the excitement. Chickcozy's thoughtful design includes a mess-free water tray that prevents spills and ensures consistent humidity levels, enhancing the overall hatching experience.